So, why should you use solo ads as an affiliate marketer? That's the question I'm going to answer in this video.
Just shout!
Just shout! I like it. Hey, one more thing before we move on. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see some more of my videos. Alright, as an affiliate marketer, especially a brand new affiliate marketer, it's extremely hard to get traffic. One of the hardest things to do is get your affiliate products on Facebook ads, Google ads, Twitter, Pinterest. I mean, nearly impossible. The only way to really do it is to build this extensive funnel. But sometimes when you do that, when you build a funnel with a capture page, and then you have a bridge page, and then it goes to the affiliate page, a lot of times Facebook will say your ad is low quality, for instance, and you just can't use straight affiliate links at all. That's not going to happen. You're not going to get it. Everybody's talking about Facebook ads and Google ads and da 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 da. That works great if you have your own product or you're doing e-com. You need to use Udemy. And because Udemy will let you track those ads and what tier, what countries are going to it, because you want top tier countries. And I've had success with Udemy. I'm going to show you an instance where I used one test of 100 clicks with a new provider, a new guy that I chose. He's been on there a while, Stefan, and I had a pretty good experience where I got 23% opt-ins, and just on the run of the email itself. Through his solo ads, just on the run itself of that solo ad, I was able to make one sale. And then later on that week with my follow-up funnel, with my email sequence, I made 5 more sales at $38 a piece. Actually, it was $38.80 a piece at 5 sales, 5 plus 1. That's 6. 6 sales, and that came to, right there, you see it. All right, so solo ads is a great way to build a list and to get sales. You'll hear a lot of people say, oh, don't do solo ads. And that was the case years ago before Udemy came out. You couldn't really trust some solo ad providers, a big old click bullshit thing. Those don't work, but Udemy does work. And I've been using it now for over a good, 2 months since I decided I was going to try to go back to solo ads and try to build a list through an affiliate product that I was doing. Because, e-com, when I do my e-com store, that's extremely easy to put products on Facebook and Google and Twitter and, Pinterest, wherever you want to run your ads. Those are great because you're just driving people right to a sales page where they can order the product. But when you're doing affiliate marketing, you're using, a capture page, a bridge page. When I say capture page, that squeeze, you're squeezing them in there. So then you go to your bridge page and then to your offer. That's how you do affiliate marketing. And that's why I like solo ads so much, because you're connecting with people who are already interested in marketing online, internet marketing. Let's go ahead and take a look at Udemy right now, and you can see for yourself. And I'm going to show you how I used a particular solo ad. Okay, so here I am inside my Udemy. I wanted to show you one of the solo ads that I ran and how it worked. So you can see here I used this guy here. His name's Stefan. On September 7th of 2019, I ordered 100 clicks. He gave me 110. You can see that 110 clicks received. So when you use Udemy, it will tell you, it gives you this particular setup where you can see quality visitors, how many were filtered, and how many were useless. The 8 useless were me. Going to the site and just seeing if it was still working during the ad. All right. But anyways, over here, you can see here where it says delivered order, 110 out of 100. I ordered 100, he gave me 110, which is great. Opt-ins, I got 23 opt-ins. So it was a little higher than 20%. I like that. That's pretty good. Sales, I got 1 sale inside the funnel. Now like I said, I got 5 sales with my email responder continuing that funnel for a whole 7 more days. Well, actually 7 more emails over 14 days. 6 sales total is what I got out of this one solo ad. Now, what I paid for this solo ad, let me show you what I paid. All right, so this is the guy I use. His name was Stefan Lidbaum. He's from Estonia, of all places. But what I looked for is he had 32% of the people who used his solo ad, and the last 100 solo ads reported a sale. This is a special price he's given to USA people only. If you go to solo deals here, you'll find it. And 19% of his customers are repeat orders. Now, that's pretty good considering a lot of people come in here and they buy 50 or 100 clicks and they get like a 20% opt-in rate but no sales, and they feel like they failed because they're idiots. I mean, if you get the way I feel it, if you get anything over 20% opt-in, you're doing pretty good. All right. 25, 35% is optimal, but 20 is not bad. And his average time it takes the seller to accept an order is 3 hours, whatever. All right, so it cost me $48, you can see here, if you order 100 visitors, and that's what I did the last time I used them. Now, I'm not saying you go use Stefan, although I think he was a good guy to do business with. There's a lot of people on here, and just do your vigilance to find the right guy. Now, let me show you something else. When I go back to my solos, all right, so here's some metrics, but when you scroll down, and I don't know if I should cover up these IP addresses or not, so I'm going to go ahead and do that before I scroll down. Oh, you can see my review. I left them. I got 2 sales for my funnel. Ran. All right, so when I scroll down, you can see all the people where they came from, where I got clicks. And you see the little bubble here? That means that those were opt-ins. All right, so United States, United Kingdom, and there's one Australian. So I got all my opt-ins either came from the United States, Canada, or Australia. These were not. This is all tier 1 traffic, meaning that it's 100% from countries that can afford a product that you're trying to sell. All right. So Udemy is a great place to get started, guys. Especially if you're new to affiliate marketing, this is a great place to build your email list. Now, are you going to make tons of money? That's not how well your funnel's built. Honestly, these guys are just providing you traffic. All right, so you can see where I showed you my 23% opt-ins and the one sale I got in the funnel. It actually, you could track it. They have their own tracking system right inside. And you can also track your funnels as well. I think I forgot to show you that. But anyways, so Udemy is a great place to get started, especially if you're doing affiliate marketing and you need to build a list. Because I'm going to tell you right now, guys, if you don't have a list, you will not make money. So why use solo ads for affiliate marketing? It's the only way you're going to actually make money if you don't have a list and you're just getting started. So it's relatively small investment. And if you're not willing to invest money and to make money, then you're just a fucking idiot.